Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will multiply a mixed number by a whole number. 5 times 2 and 1/4. The 5 is the whole number. 2 and 1/4 is the mixed number because we have a whole and part of another whole, or a whole and a fraction. That makes a mixed number. And we will find the product. Let's start by creating a model of the mixed number 2 and 1/4. We have two wholes, 1, 2, and we have 1/4 of another whole, or 1/4. We need to multiply 2 and 1/4 5 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Now let's count the wholes. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 wholes. Let's see if we can make another whole with these fourths or quarters. We have 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. That makes 4/4, which is one whole. So we have 10, 11 wholes, and we have 1/4 or 1/4 of another whole. And we have 1/4 or 1/4 of another whole. The product is 11 and 1/4, or 11 and 1/4. 3 times 4 and 1/3. The 3 is the whole number. 4 and 1/3 is a mixed number. We have a whole and a part of another whole. And we need to find the product. Let's start by representing 4 and 1/3. We have 4 wholes and 1/3 of another whole. We need to multiply that 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Now let's count up the wholes. 4, 8, 12. Let's see if we can make another whole. We have 1/3, another third, and another third. We can combine these to make another whole. So 12 plus 1 is 13. The product is 13. 4 times 2 and 3/4. The 4 is the whole number. 2 and 3/4 is a mixed number, and we will find the product. Let's represent 2 and 3/4. We have 2 wholes and 3/4 of another. 1, 2, 3. 3/4 of another whole. We need to do that 4 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Let's add up the wholes. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 8 wholes. Let's see if we can make another whole. We have 3/4 or 3/4. Let's combine it with one of these fourths to make one whole. 4/4 makes 1. We have 8, 9. Let's see if we can combine more quarters or fourths. That's another 4/4. That makes another whole. And we can combine these 4/4, which makes another whole. We have 8, 9, 10, 11. The product is 11.